Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I want to make something quick to discuss. We got a really busy couple days coming up in terms of sneakers. 320, 321. I've been saying in my recent videos, 2 days of big drops, and we're just going to be getting into them, diving into them, discussing the resell individually in each one of them, and of course the drop times and dates, because some of them have the same times and dates. And of course, I've made individual videos on each of these. Just go down to my recent videos on my channel and you guys will find all those. We're discussing the plum dunks, trophy rooms, and we are also discussing the resell SBs. So that's what we're getting into for anybody curious. But if y'all want more content like this, check out my Instagrams here. I have a military blue Jordan 4 giveaway coming soon. Don't forget, it's just my personal pair right here, but y'all can check it out. And of course, you guys can see, past an alias, all that. So 100% legit. Got the giveaway on the way, coming soon here. Stay tuned. I was supposed to do it at 10K, but I'm a bit delayed. It's on the way this week. My promise. The reason I've been waiting is because I want to, give away OG all pairs, because pairs I've been getting no box at the moment. So yeah, I want the winner to have everything. But that's it. Subscribe, like for more if y'all want it. And let's just get started, man. I don't really have a like goal in mind. 200's the usual one, but let's just continue. So, getting into these drops, as you guys can see, resell March 20th, 10 a.m. Trophy rooms, the day after at 10 a.m. And then plum dunk low, same day as the trophy rooms, 10 a.m. Eastern time. So as you guys can see, same date on both of these. And then this is the one that's going to be the day before. So we basically have an SB, then we have a very hyped Jordan 1 low, and also a dunk low that hasn't dropped in 4 years. So it's going to be a good few days. So make sure, your credit cards are paid off. Make sure you got some money ready, because these are all profitable sneakers. The plum dunks, the resell if I had to put them in an order of most profitable to least profitable, it would be trophy room, resell, and then it would be the plum dunk low. Now, keep in mind, there's two pairs that we really don't have stock numbers for. I've heard for the plum dunk lows, wasn't supposed to click that. This pair right here, I've heard we might be getting around like 80,000, 100,000 pairs restocking. So it will be a decent amount, which will cause the price to drop a decent amount. But keep in mind that in big sizes, this is still a pair that I think is worth going for, especially in 11 plus. I will show you all the resell in a bit, but this is going to be one that will probably have the most stock. The one that will have the least amount of stock, I think, is probably going to be the trophy rooms. I just don't think they're going to make a lot of these. A lot of the winners that we saw for this pair were people that were located in Florida that were able to go pick it up. I saw a lot of you guys actually in my comment section yesterday. Shout out to you guys. You were talking about, man, I went to the store yesterday and there was a crazy line. I'm like, it's interesting that, there was not too many online winners, but there was a lot of in-store winners. I mean, the fact that, usually for in-store pickups, right, there isn't a massive line because, they give people dedicated times, like 15 minutes apart. So if there's just a massive line for in-store pickup, that tells me there was a lot of W's in store. However, the prices haven't really reflected that, because I think a lot of people that got this are probably just wearing them, or, they might be just keeping them as like a collector's item. They might be holding on to them for a bit, and some people might have just not sold them, StockX. They might have just sold them local another way, which I totally recommend that over going through apps and getting hit with a bunch of fees, you know what I mean? So aside from that, these I've heard is around rumors at the moment. Nothing is confirmed for how many stock, how many pairs there will be of these. I've heard around 40 to 50,000 though. That is the rumor that I've seen on Twitter and Instagram, kind of circulating around. I don't think there's going to be that many, on sneakers. I just, with a sneaker that's worth this much, I think they've backdoored most of the stock. So even if they say there's going to be like 40,000 sneakers, how many are really going to ship? Because with hype sneakers on, Nike, we always see canceled orders, always. And I'm wondering if we'll see the same thing for trophy room with, raffle W's. Because I did see also some of you guys in my comment section that were like, yeah, I'm from New Jersey, I got a W. I'm from California, I got a W on, a size 7 or a size 8 or a size, 13. So, there was online people win, which is good to see. I'm glad that you guys are confirming that, hey, they were giving out some dubs. So the backdoor wasn't as big as it usually is, right? They learned from the first time, hey, we actually have to give some people the pairs or it becomes too obvious. So well done, to the team for at least giving some people pairs. I love, when there's actually some dubs. And of course, this is going to be a hard sneaker to get. I discussed this in a recent video. This should not be one of those sneakers that you went into the drop like, oh, okay, I'm going to cop these. Nah, it wasn't one of those like, it was always limited. It's always been flipping for a ton. Early prices were like $1,500. Now, if we go check out the resale prices, I think we just go to, oh wow, I'm clicking everything wrong. If we go to them right now, you can see it's around $560 to $530. So bigger sizes are actually, I think a little, like a 13 is cheap right now on StockX, but obviously cheap is relative because $500 it's still crazy pricey. But aside from that, why don't we dive into the resell really quick? Because I want to discuss the resale prices on these. So I'm going to move these right here. So we just kind of got some order right there, and then, you know, trophy rooms right there. So getting into the race, as you can see, the resale price is between a range of around $180 to $210. Big sizes are going for more. I discussed this in a recent video. You know, the big sizes are going to go for more in SBs. They do not produce as many of them. So if you just need to know what to target, I'm gonna let this pass by. But yeah, 10.5 plus is basically the golden range in SBs, and I would be willing to hold big sizes in these 100%. It's a very unique SB. It's with a Nike skater. Again, resell, younger Nike skater. If she keeps doing well, then, you know, these are obviously gonna go up. But also, they're not gonna, you know, produce a ton of pairs. I do think that there's a lot of skate shops that still need to post their raffles and different things like that for this pair. But yeah, that's really what I can mention about the races. They're worth going for. They're not going to drop a, you know, huge amount of them, and even if they do, it's not going to tank in price because there still is people that want these. And because if I think these actually get, you know, that like 150, 160 price point, I think a lot of people would buy them because people would be like, oh shoot, these are kind of cheap. I'll go get a pair. Why not? That's what I see could happen with these, but I don't see them going that low. You know, I see people taking L's on sneakers and then them actually probably going a little bit above 200 in even like size 9 maybe, but big size is already above 200. So there you go. I do not know what is going on outside there. Some. Oh, just a fire truck. All right, we're good. And yeah, trophy rooms, already showed you all the resale range for these, way up there. I mean, if you cop a pair of these, it's kind of up to you. It's like, all right, do I tow them? You know, I would recommend waiting until you get them in hand and then deciding. Honest opinion. That's what I think. But then, yeah, also the plum ducks. You guys can see in small sizes, these have gotten really, really cheap and affordable. So they actually might go. I would not be shocked if after they drop, you know, a decent amount of pairs and sneakers, because I know they're definitely going to have, you know, probably a solid amount of pairs. I think at size of 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, kind of like commonly worn, more popular sizes, I could see them going under retail because there's probably going to be some people getting bulk, not even paying retail price, because that happens all the time. You know, some people go, you know, buy bulk of Jordan 1s or, you know, Jordan 4s, and they'll get them under retail. So yeah, it'll happen with these. I'm almost 100% certain of that. So the only sizes I'm really comfortable getting in these, probably my size 9, and then, you know, 10.5 plus. That's, you know, what I'm always trying to say. Go for the big sizes that will still sell. I mean, look, 13, 14, look what those are going for in these. There's still people paying the high for these, and they're still up there in price because the back door is not available for those sizes. Back door is probably like, yeah, I got 7 through 12, or, I mean, there isn't even a lot of people 7. So yeah, it was probably like 7 through 12, and then, yeah, no 13, no 14. So that's what I'll leave it at. But let me know what you guys are thinking about these releases. We got a pretty crazy, you know, just day or two. I mean, 320, then 321, 321. So there's a lot on the way. That's really what I can mention about you guys. Or not about you guys, but for you guys, about the sneaker game. We got a lot going on, so just make sure you guys are ready. That's the main thing I wanted to let you all know with this short little video. I've broken each of these sneakers down with individual little videos and segments recently on my channel, so if y'all want to go check that out, if you have any questions, just let me know down below. I will try to get back to them today. I'll be a bit busy tonight, but I should hopefully get this video out on Friday. If I don't, then I will let you guys, you know, you'll see it tomorrow. You'll see it on Saturday, 100%. It'll be edited and done. But yeah, you guys can also check out my Instagrams, any of that down below. If y'all need any military blues, I got 7, 7.5, 9, 9.5, 10, and I think I got 11. Those are the only sizes left, and most sizes I got 1 left in. So that's really all I need to say about these, and stay tuned for the giveaway coming soon here also. Some other early pair stuff. It'll all be coming soon. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I'll catch you on the next video coming very, very soon. See y'all then. Peace.